Look at these examples and you will see how these brands use their visual identity to stand out on Pinterest and to make sure that you get a connection with the brand. Now it is very easy with Pin Generator to do the same thing. There are actually 3 levels of customization that you can use in order for pins to match your brand. So the first level is to simply adjust your colors. So for this, when you're in your Pin Generator tool, go into colors and fonts. And like here you can see that you can use a color palette, but if you want to add your own colors, you can simply click on these and then you see this color picker come up and you can add your hex code. So let's do this for the Pin Generator brand. So now automatically all the pins will use the brand colors and will match your brand when you post them on your boards. The next level to customize your templates is to actually go in, pick the templates and then adjust them to match what you want. This way you can add certain elements like a colored border or something that you will always use for your brand. So to do this, let's go into our templates. And then simply select one of the hundreds of templates that are available to adjust for our brand. So let's call this colored border. Now I will select this. And instead of white, I will use my brand color. Let's do this for the different borders. So this is a very easy way to start from professionally designed templates and to just add a little touch so that it is specific to your brand. Let's save this template. And now you can see when you go to your templates that the one you just created, in our case the colored border one, is available for use for your next pins. And finally, you could also completely start from scratch. So when you add a new template, let's choose Pinterest pin, you can start from a blank canvas where you can add the elements that you want on your pin. So for example, we can add an image as our background. Let's upload an image. Now we created this gradient that is using the brand colors. And let's use this snap to border because that makes it much easier to make sure everything is right aligned. And now, of course, we want to add our title on this. So for this, I'm going to select the area where I want my title to be. So I'll pick this top area here and I'll leave a bit of margin on the left and on the right. And then let's center. Now, what's very important when you create templates in Pin Generator is that you keep in mind that you are creating templates and not individual pins. So you don't want to pick just one image from one blog post. You want to imagine what this would look like if you have different images from different blog posts, because the whole goal is that you can then use this template to generate tons of pins automatically, right? So for here, for example, we will not type in the title of our pin, but we will use the dynamic fields that are available to add the title to this template. So let's click on title here. And then we also want to pull in the image from the blog post. So for this, let's add another image. And maybe position it here. And now we want to make sure that this image is the image from the blog post. So again, we need to make sure that this is dynamic. And for images, you simply click on this button, use detected images. Now, let's say that this is our branded template. Let's save it. And let's go to our generate. So now in our templates, we want to select our templates that we just created. So our branded template, and then our colored border one. And we have some other ones here that I already created with like the color overlay in the brand color and some other gradient ones. And now you can see that by using our branded templates, we were able to generate a ton of pins that are on brand and that now we can schedule on Pinterest automatically. I hope you can see how easy it is to create your own branded templates and to use them to generate a ton of unique pins for your Pinterest marketing. Go ahead, give it a try and let me know in the comments below what you think.